Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your weather authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. First day of summer here, but let's be honest, we've had summer-like weather for the last month or so, and the highs today will wind up in familiar territories. We are headed for the mid to upper 90s once again this afternoon. Heat is going to build as well as the humidity in the upcoming days, so hot stretch here through the weekend, but we have found some relief. Looks like we'll have some at least decent temperatures and a humidity drop to look forward to maybe late in the weekend, early next week. And you'll notice today we actually do have a spotty afternoon thunder shower in the forecast for some areas as well. So this morning it doesn't feel quite as nice as yesterday morning, but we should be in the low 70s once we get closer to sunrise. And today a warm front will pass over the region, so with that front coming up from the coastline, the winds will turn to the south. We don't like that because the south wind will start to crank up our humidity once again, and you'll definitely feel more humidity today than you did yesterday. So even though the highs will wind up similar to yesterday, we'll feel a little warmer given the humidity, but the heat index, when you factor in the humidity, still below 105. So as of the recording here, no heat advisory from the Weather Service, but I do think we'll see the heat advisory come back here in the upcoming days. Heat index today likely between 102 and 104 at some point this afternoon, in a few locations above 105. So again, even though we don't have a heat advisory, just try to limit your time outside as we go through the afternoon hours and early evening as well. Try to get anything you need done outside finished or completed early this morning. So again, our chance of rain today, you've got high pressure building back over the region. So what happens with high pressure, it just kind of pushes down on the atmosphere, hence high pressure. So you get that sinking air. You don't get any rain typically, but we do have that warm front moving up from the coastline today, which is going to undercut the high. That will actually get the air rising as well as the warm temperatures this afternoon. So with that rising motion in the atmosphere and some more humidity coming in behind the front, Futurecast is highlighting maybe what we call just a few spotty or stray showers popping up at some point this afternoon. And Futurecast indicating the highest potential for that would be across Texas as well as Louisiana, and that will really be our only hope for a cool down between now and late in the weekend if we can get some daily rain chances going. Looks like a possibility again tomorrow, but again, not enough rain out there to bring everybody some cooler weather, but the lucky few locations that do get a quick rain shower today should enjoy a nice temperature drop. Again, we should see this spotty rain chance tomorrow. Looks dry Thursday through Saturday, and that's when the 100-degree heat will likely set up, and I do think we'll see some heat advisories come back during this time frame as well. But we do have a front on the way late in the weekend, early next week. It should drop our temperatures. Again, normal range for us is about 92, so we may drop the temperatures closer to normal at some point early next week. The big thing this front will do is just kind of blow the humidity out of here, so we have at least a couple of days late this weekend. Early next week, we should have some more tolerable summer weather on the way for at least a few days.